Assalamualaikum my YouTube family, hope you all are fine. Here is my small art studio and I'm here with new video which is about sticky notes and effective notes. So let's start our video. So we are talking about where to write up the notes. So firstly, here is a register size notebook. This register size notebook is in very reasonable price. You can use it for your work. And the second option is the diary. You can also use A4 size paper sheets. Now this option is my favorite. I am used to use this binder side notebooks and it's very easy to fold up, and you can also use this binder size register. Now we will talk about stationery supplies. It doesn't mean to use up so much stationery. In this video we will make our notes with less stationery, which is very affordable, so I'm gonna use it. I don't have sticky notes, so I'm gonna using these A4 paper to make the notes effective and pretty. So here are some tags. You can also use these. I just cut the strips of A4 paper and I use it to make some titles tag. Firstly, start by writing the topic part. You can also design it. Then write the subtopic part and the introductory part, which is like intro in a paragraph. And also write some important points and examples. Now we are done with the basic format of note. I hope this video is informative for you. Now it's turn off highlighter. By using highlighter, you can firstly use highlighter and then write on the top. So highlighting after writing, making the area clean. Or you can prevent by using this tip. So now I'm gonna share with you my assignment. Enjoy to watch it. So dear students, you can also use these banners to make your notes pretty. And I hope this video is very informative for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay blessed, stay connected, and also check my notes in Urdu. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.